Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, February 23, 2022. Yesterday, the markets finished weak once again. We've been moving lower for several sessions now, and we closed at a 50-day closing low. We did not take out the swing low, which would be the lowest low of the past 50 days, but we closed at the lowest closing level of the past 50 days as we start to head towards the end of the month here in February. And I thought it would be interesting to kind of look at that combination of being down at lows coming in towards the end of the month. So that's what we're going to look at this morning on the Daily IQ. Let me go ahead and grab all four instruments. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading a little bit higher here in the overnight session. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the test by going to the opening filters. Gap direction, I'm going to click on gap up. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library. I'm going to say that yesterday was a 50-day closing low. So to do that, the active today section telling you all the things that are true for today. If I go down this new lows section, I can grab day after 50-day low right here. Once I click on it, it's been added to the test. It shows up right here. You can see the equal sign has been selected. Next thing I'm going to do is go to indicators, put us in a similar market environment. We're below a 10 and 200 day simple moving average. And then I'm going to go to the calendar library. And this is where I'm going to be able to add that we're trading near the end of the month. So in the part of the month section, which is basically looking at what week of the month, it's just taking a month and dividing it up into quartiles. I'm going to say we are in the last quartile. I can grab that from the active today, or I can just hit equals right here. Either way, we'll add it. So that's all I want to look at for this. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when the prior session closed at a 50-day low, and you are gapping up the next day. This is taking place in a bear market environment, and seasonality-wise, you are near the end of the month. So historically, 25 samples here in the S&P, 21 in the NASDAQ, 20 in the Dow, 26 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, they're all skewed towards the upside. S&P coming in 72%, have closed above the opening print for the day. For the NASDAQ, 71. For the Dow, 70. For the Russell, 65%. So all of those are favored. If we look at the average moves, average loss here larger than the average win for the S&P. That's also the case for the NASDAQ. The Dow is the only one that has a larger average win compared to its average loss, and then Russell, larger average loss compared to its average win. So historically speaking, this has been a little bit more of a bullish day when you have a 50-day low close followed by a gap up near the end of the month. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.